listener. Welcome to this guided meditation. This is a space to rest, to soften, to simply be. Meditation is not something you do. It is a remembering of the present moment, here and now, is the only place life is happening. The past is a memory. The future is a thought. And in this moment, you are safe. Together, we will gently rest in the state of being, where awareness quietly shines. Make sure you are in a comfortable position. You may be sitting or lying down. If you are sitting, allow your spine to be upright and relaxed. If you are lying down, let the body fully settle. There is nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to achieve. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the soft music you can hear. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Follow the breath all the way down into your belly as you inhale, and slowly breathe out, feeling the air rise through the chest and leave through the nostrils. Take another deep breath in. Notice the breath as it fills the body. Now notice the tiny pause before the breath turns into an exhale. Breathe out gently, feeling the warmth of the air as it leaves your body. And again, notice the pause before the next inhale begins. If your mind wanders, if a thought appears or an emotion arises, that is perfectly okay. The moment you notice it, you are already aware. And that awareness is the meditation. Without engaging, without judging, gently guide your attention back to the breath. As you continue breathing, notice any sensations in the body. Perhaps a sense of warmth or softness or gentle movement. Take one more deep breath. And now, notice the dark open field behind your closed eyes. Continue breathing slowly, naturally, without effort. Notice any sounds around you, near or far, without labeling them. Feel your body beginning to relax. With every breath out, tension is released. From the face, the shoulders, the chest, the belly, the legs. There is nothing to control, resist, do not follow, do not judge. Like strangers walking past on a street, they pass on their own. You are the open sky, thoughts and emotions, or simply clouds moving through. Notice now that you are the one aware of breath, of sound, of sensation, of thought. You are the silent witness, the presence that observes the body and the mind without effort. You can return to this place anytime simply by noticing. Your eyes, your ears, your skin, your breath. Allow always into the present moment. Resting fully in any one of them naturally brings stillness. It truly is this simple. You do not need to set aside special time to meditate. Each moment you remember to return to the present. You are awakening. You are learning to live as your higher self. The one who sees the movements of the mind without being pulled by them. This is your natural state, peaceful, aware, whole. I will now take my leave, but you're welcome to remain here, resting with the breath for as long as you wish. Thank you, my friend, for walking this path of awareness. Every time you return to presence, you're free to rapport within yourself.